Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel School Tech Karnataka. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and also click on the bell icon to receive all the latest updates. In our previous video, we solved some examples about addition of four-digit numbers with carrying as well as without carrying. So in our today's video, we'll be moving forward and learning how to add 5-digit numbers without carrying and with carrying. So let's start with addition of 5-digit numbers without carrying. So the addition of 5-digit numbers is same as that of the addition of 4-digit numbers. If you recall correctly, the digits are added in this order. First we add the digits that are at units place, and then we move forward and add the digits that are at the tens place, the digits that are at hundreds place, and then the digits that are at thousands place, and then the digits that are at 10,000s place. This is for 5-digit numbers. So let's start with our example 1. Add the numbers 45,237 and 31,210. So these numbers are represented as shown in the picture below. So they have picturized these digits. At units place we have 7 here. At tens place we have 1, 2 and 3. At hundreds place we have 2. At thousands place we have 5. And at 10,000s place we have 4. That is 45,237. Similarly, for the next number 31,210. Since this is empty, we know that is already 0. And at tens place we have 1, at hundreds place we have 2 here, at thousands place we have 1, and at 10,000s place we have 3. That is 31,210. So if we want to add these two numbers, we start with the digits at the units place. So 7 plus 0 is 7 itself. So this is 7. Then 3 plus 1 we get 4. Here 4. Now at hundreds place we have 2 plus 2. So we write 4. And at thousands place we have 5 plus 1 we get 6. And at 10,000s place we have 4 plus 3 that is 7. So our answer is 76,447. So here observe the two numbers written in the place value chart. The digits in each place are added. That was 7 at the units place and 0 at the units place. When we add the units place we get 7. Similarly 3 at the tens place and 1 at tens place. When we add 3 and 1 we have 4. 2 at hundreds place, 2 at hundreds place, 4 at hundreds place. 5 at thousands place, 6 at thousands place. When we add we get 6 at thousands place. And 4 at 10,000s place and 3 at 10,000s place. We get 7 at 10,000s place. So let's see how to write this in columns. We have units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. So at units place for this digit we have at units place 7, at tens place 3, at hundreds place we have 2, at thousands place 5, at 10,000s place 4. That is 45,237. Our other addend is 31,210. So at units place we have 0, At tens place we have 1. At hundreds place we have 2. At thousands place we have 1. And at 10,000s place we have 3. So let's check stepwise how to add these two numbers. So our first step would be to add the digits at units place. So at units place we have 7 plus 0. What do we get? 7. So we write 7 at the units place. Our next step would be to add the digits at tens place. That is 3. At tens place we have 3 and 1. 3 plus 1. We get 4. So we write 4 at tens place. And then the third step would be to add the digits at hundreds place. At hundreds place we have 2 and 2. So that is 2 plus 2 is again 4. So we write 4 at hundreds place. Our next step would be to add the digit at thousands place. At thousands place we have 5 and 1. So that is 5 plus 1. We get 6. So we write 6 at thousands place. And our last step is to add the digits at 10,000s place. So at 10,000s place we have 4 and 3. That is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we write 7 at 10,000s place. So the answer for the question, sum of 45, the answer for the question, sum of 45,237 and 31,210 is equal to 76,447. So this is the answer. Now let's move on to our example 2. So in our example 2, we need to find the sum of 23,567 and 34,131. So let's try to write these in our place value chart first. So at units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. So 23,567. If we want to write this in place value chart, we start from units place. 7, 6, 5, 3 and 2. And for 34,131, we write 1 at units place, 3 at tens place, 1 at hundreds place, 4 at thousands place and 3 at 10,000s place. So when we want to add these two numbers, we start always with the digits at the units place. So at the units place we have 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then we move to tens place. The digits at tens place are 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. The digits at hundreds place are 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. We write 6 at hundreds place. And at thousands place we have 3 and 4. If we add 3 plus 4, we get 7. We write 7 at thousands place. And then at the last, we add the digits that are at 10,000s place. So at 10,000s place, we have 2 and 3. That is 5. So the sum of 23,567 and 34,131 is equal to 57,698. Now similarly, let's check out our next example. What do we have in our next example? Mr. Mallappa. Okay. Mr. Mallappa purchased a scooter for himself and motorcycle for his son. The cost of scooter is 34,221 and the cost of the motorcycle is 35,678. Find the total amount paid by Mr. Mallappa to buy the scooter and motorcycle. So, the cost of the scooter is equal to 34,221 and the cost of the motorcycle is equal to 35,678. So we need to find the total amount paid by Mr. Mallappa. The total amount paid by Mr. Mallappa is equal to cost of the scooter plus the cost of the motorcycle. That is, what is the cost of the scooter? 34,221 plus 30. What is the cost of the motorcycle? 35,678. Now how do we add these numbers? 5-digit numbers. We place them at their place value. We place them below the place values. So the digits at the units place are 1 and here is 8, or simply units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So and at hundreds place, tens place we have 2, at hundreds place we have 2, at thousands place we have 4, 10,000s place we have 3, and here at units place we have 8, tens place we have 7, hundreds place we have 6, thousands place we have 5 and 10,000s place we have 3. So if we add these two addends, we need to start from the units place. 1 plus 8 is 9. At tens place we have 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7 is again 9. At hundreds place we have 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. At thousands place we have 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And at 10,000's place we have 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So the total amount paid by Mr. Mallappa is equal to 69,899. This is our answer. So until now we were solving the addition of 5-digit numbers without carrying. So let's have a look at the addition of 5-digit numbers with carrying. So how do we do that? It is same as that of the addition of 4-digit numbers with carrying. So let's see what we have at example 1. Example 1 is find the sum of 38,765 and 25,978. These two numbers are represented as shown in the figure here. So at units place they have 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. At tens place they have 6. At hundreds place they have 7. At thousands place they have 8 of these boxes, and at 10,000's place they have 3. Similarly, at unit the next number is 8 at units place, at tens place is 7, at hundreds place is 9, at thousands place is 5, and at 10,000's place is 2. So when we want to add these two numbers, we start always from the units digits. So at the units place we have 5 and 8. When we add 5 plus 8 we get 13. So we write 3 here and 1 is carried to the next place. So at tens place we now have, here it is 1 and 6 and 7. So 1 plus 6 plus 7 is 14. So we write 4 here and carry 1 again to the next place. So at hundreds place we have 1 plus 7 plus 9. If we add these 3 we get 17. 7 is written here and 1 is carried to the next place. Now at thousands place we have 1 plus 8 plus 5, we get 14. So 4 is written and 1 is carried to the next place. Now here we have at 10,000's place we have 1, 3 and 2. When we add these 3 we get 6. So the answer for our question, the sum of 38,765 and 25,978 is equal to 64,743. Now, observe the two numbers written in the place value chart. The digits in each places are added. So, at units place we have 5 and 8. So similarly as we checked here was a pictorial description. So here we have numeric description. So 5 plus 8 we have 13. 3 is written here and 1 is carried to the next place. At tens place now we have 1, 6, 1, 6 and 7. So when we add these numbers we get 14. 4 is written here and 1 is carried to the next place. 7 1 plus 7 plus 9 is 17. 7 is written here and 1 is carried to the next place. At the thousands place, we have now 1, 8 and 5. When we add these three numbers, we get 14. So 4 is written here and 1 is carried to the next place. Now at 10,000s place, we have 1, 3 and 2. When we add these three numbers, we get 6. So let's see the steps involved in the addition of two numbers with carrying. So the first step is to add the digit, is to write the numbers in the vertical column according to the place of digits. So that is according to the place of digits, units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So when we write these numbers according to the place of digits, we get here is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3 plus the other number is 8, 7, 9, 5 and 2. So the next step that we need to do is add the digits at the units place. So at units place we have 5 plus 8. Units place we have 5 and 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Write 3 in the units place and carry 1 to the tens place. I'll just write these a bit above. Okay. So 1 is carried to the tens place. Now next step is to add the digits in the tens place. So at tens place we have 1, 6 and 7. 1 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 14. We write 4 at the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. The next step is to add the digits in the hundreds place. At hundreds place we have 1, 7 and 9. So if we add 1 plus 7 plus 9, we get 17. So we write 7 at hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. The next step is to add the digits in the thousands place. At thousands place we have 1, 8 and 5. So 1 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 14. We write 4 at thousands place and carry 1 to 10,000s place. The next step is to add the digits in the 10,000s place. At 10,000s place we have 1, 3 and 2. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So we write 6 at 10,000s place. So therefore the sum of 38,765 and 25,978 is 64,743. So this is our final answer. Let's move to our next example. So our next example is to find the sum of 56,003 and 42,597. So we write these digits in vertical column according to their places. So 56,003 and 42,597. Our next step is to add the digits at the units place. 7 plus 3 is 10. we write 0 here and carry 1 at tens place. So our next step is to add the digits at tens place. At tens place we have 1 plus 0 plus 9. We have 10. The answer is 10. We write 0 here and carry 1 to hundreds place. Now the next step is to add the digits at the hundreds place. At hundreds place we have 1, 0 and 5. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. We write down 6 here. Then the next step is to add the digits at the 10,000s place. At 10,000s place we have 6 plus 2. We write 8. And then our last step is to add the digits at the 10,000s place. At 10,000s place we have 5 plus 4, that is 9. So the sum of 56,003 and 42,597 is 98,600. We just need to remember, while adding 5-digit numbers with carrying, first we need to write the numbers one below the other according to the place value of each digit. Write the numbers one below other according to the place value of each digit. Then start adding the digits from the units place. Then move to tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place and then 10,000s place. Whenever carrying is necessary, carry the digit to the next higher place. So when we want to carry 0 from units, we carry it to tens place, and so. Let's check with our example 3. What do we have in our example 3? A bookseller sold 26,817 books in a book exhibition and sold 17,794 books in second book exhibition. Find the total number of books sold by him in both the book exhibitions. So, the number of books sold in first book exhibition is 26,817. The number of books sold in second book exhibition is 17,794. The total number of books sold in the book exhibition is 26,817 plus 17,794. That is, the total books sold in both the book exhibitions is equal to books sold in first exhibition plus the books sold in the second exhibition. So the books that are sold in first exhibition are 26,817 plus the books that are sold in the second exhibition are 17,794. So when we want to add these two numbers, we first write them one below other according to the place of each digit. So units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So at units place we have 7, 1, 8, 6 and 2, and here we have 4, 9, 7, 7 and 1. So let's start to add from the units place. At units place we have 7 and 4. We have 11. I write 1 here and carry 1 to tens place. So at tens place I have now 1 plus 1 plus 9. That is again 11. I write 1 here and carry 1 here. At hundreds place 1 plus 8 plus 7 is 16. I write 6 here and carry 1 at thousands place. At thousands place I have 1 plus 6 plus 7 is 14. I write 4 here and carry 1 at 10,000s place. At 10,000s place I have now 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. So the total books sold in the book exhibition is equal to 44,611. So these are the total number of books that are sold by him in the exhibition. So in our next video, we will be solving the exercise that is related to 5-digit numbers. If you have liked this video, please press the like button and also do share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching.